Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a recipe incorporating two of my favorite things, tiramisu and these Biscoff cookies. So if you want to see how I do this recipe, keep watching. I was recently introduced to this Biscoff spread. It has a molasses caramel flavor that I absolutely love. So I thought, how could I incorporate that into a lovely dessert? So I'm gonna try to make a Biscoff tiramisu. I've never tried this recipe before. I actually tried to come up with some measurements, so we'll see if they work today. Join me as I make this yummy dessert. Here is what we're going to use to begin making our tiramisu cream. We have some mascarpone cheese. It's an Italian cream cheese. And we also have the Biscoff biscuit cream. To that, I'm going to add some whipping cream to loosen it up. I'm going to start with a 1/4 cup and see if I need to add more. You could also use a mixer for this if you like. All right, so now that I pretty much have those incorporated, I'm going to try to loosen it up a bit with the whipping cream. So I'll just add a little bit first and see if that's enough. And then I also have to taste it to make sure it is sweet enough because I'm not planning on adding any extra sugar to this. All right, and there is our cream. Next, I'm going to whip whipping cream and sugar together. I'm going to fold the whipped cream into my mascarpone and biscuit cream mixture. I'm going to put this mixture into the fridge to keep it chilled. So my next step is to crush some of these Lotus biscuits. Right, so now that I have my coffee, I'm actually going to add some dark rum to it. And you can add any liqueur that you like. If you want to add amaretto, Kahlua, it's up to you. So you want your mixture warm, not hot, when you go to dip your ladyfingers. And traditionally I don't think they add sugar to the coffee. I'm just going to add a bit. I'm going to be using the springform pan. It's a 6 by 3 inch pan. Okay, I think we're pretty much ready to assemble this delicious tiramisu. Now, first thing I'm going to do is take some of the cream and I'm just going to put it on the bottom of the pan. Then I'm going to take these delicious Italian cookies, these ladyfingers, and I'm going to line them up with the sugar side facing outside the pan. My coffee is nice and warm, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to dip it. So if you see, I leave it in there. And then I'm going to put it right there in the middle. And there you have it. So my next step is to put it in the fridge and let it chill, preferably overnight. So I've let this chill for a few hours. Ideally, I would leave it overnight, but I really want to cut into this. So here we have the tiramisu, and I'm just going to decorate it with some of the crushed Biscoff biscuits and some score bits. If I was going to do this recipe again, I would do it in a loaf pan or a casserole dish. Either way, it smells really good and I'm excited to try it. So, the flavors are all there. You can taste the coffee, a bit of the rum, but you also get that nice fluffy texture from the mascarpone. That's really good. Definitely give this one a try. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Until next time, have a great day and God bless.